Hello students, in this video we are going to learn our poem 6, The Patriot. Who is patriot? A person who loves his motherland. That person is called patriot. Okay, so you are small children. So how you show your love to your motherland? You should respect our national flag, national anthem, and you should show your love towards the motherland, and you should not talk anything ill about our motherland. So in this poem we are going to learn about a person if he doesn't have patriotic feeling, so how he will be treated, okay, or what will be the effect on him if he doesn't have patriotic feeling. Okay, this poem was written by Sir Walter Scott. Let's see what he tells in the poem. Breathes there the man with soul so dead, who never to himself hath said, This is my own, my native land, whose heart hath never within him burnt as home his footsteps he hath turned. From wandering on a foreign strand, if such there breathe, go mark him well. For him no minstrel ruptures well. High though his titles, proud his name. Okay, so let's see till this alone the meaning. So here the breathes meaning means life. Okay, so a person who is living, okay, he have soul inside. Okay, if he doesn't have a patriotic feeling, then though he is having a life, he is treated as a dead man only. Okay, so the person with a patriotic feeling is the real person who is alive. So those who don't have patriotic feeling, they are the man without a soul. Okay, so they should have the patriotic feeling. They should have, this is my own, my native land. They should have the love towards the motherland. Okay, and if they go to any foreign strand, okay, foreign strand means foreign shore or place. Okay, so how much they want, they can earn money or power or name, anything they can earn. Okay, so from a foreign country they can earn money, they can earn power or good title. Title means a good famous name they can earn. But when they come back to our motherland, okay, so they will not be treated as so proud and all. They are just like a man without a soul. So they will be treated like that. If they come back to the motherland also, they don't have any power or name or anything. Okay, so for him, no minstrel ruptures well. That means, minstrel means poet. No poet would sing a song in praise of them. Okay, for a patriotic person, everybody will have the feeling to praise. Okay, but if they don't have patriotic feeling, how much money they have, how much power they have, they will not be treated as a big people and all. No poet will sing a song for them. Okay, so let's continue. Boundless his wealth as wish can claim, despite those titles, power and pelf. The wretch concentrate all his shelf, living shall forfeit fair renown, and doubly dying shall go down to the vale dust. From the veins he sprung, unswept, unhonored and unsung. Okay, so boundless wealth, if they come with unlimited wealth. Okay, so if a person, he went out of our nation and he earned so much of money, wealth, he was able to earn so much in the foreign country. But when he comes back to the motherland, okay, so he will be treated like a unfortunate, unlucky man. Okay, so then living shall forfeit fair renown. So after that, living will be with the loss of fame. Forfeit means loss and renown means fame. So after that, living will be without any pride or proud. Then doubly dying. So although he is living, he will be treated as a dead man only. So for him, he will be dying for 2 times. Because when he don't have the patriotic feeling itself, he is considered as a man who is dead. So that's why. Then veil dust. So veil means useless. So whatever he had, so much wealth or power or money he was having, so everything will go waste. Useless it will go. Okay. Then whence means where. So where he sprung. So in his motherland, he will be treated as an unhonored person. Okay. Unwept means if he dies also, nobody will cry for him. Unwept means that's what. So nobody will cry for him, nobody will honor him, and nobody will say a word in praise of him. Unsung means no poet will sing a song in praise of him. So he will be treated like a dead man, and for him no honor, no crying. When he dies also, nobody will cry. Okay, that's the meaning of this poem. So this is the thing where the poet says that if you don't have patriotic feeling, you are just like a dead person and you don't have any prize or any good feeling about you in your motherland. How much wealth you may earn from foreign country, but you will not be treated so good in your motherland. So that's the meaning of this poem. So you go through the poem. That's all for this video. Thank you, children.